Okay, hello you guys. Today we're gonna be playing the Smurf Cat story. And I've never played this before, so I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna try to survive. Waiting for players to load. Hey guys, welcome to my house. This is my mom. Hi. Hey kids, so nice to meet you. Go ahead and take a look around. Get cozy. Are we allowed to go? No. Okay. Look it up here. I'm collecting coins because probably we'll be able to do something with it in the future. I want this pink bed because I like pink. Or the purple one. Okay, it's nice. It's nice in here. He has so many beds. Guys, let's go play in the backyard before it gets dark. Ooh. Yay. Ooh, there's a playground. Oh, let's play. Okay. We're on the what's this called? I don't remember. But I like it. There's what's that thing over there? I wanna go on it. Look. Ooh, swing. Oh. Wait guys, I have an idea. Let's use the Smurf Cat app. Come here guys, it'll be fun. It's this new game that everyone is talking about. Ask him some questions. Okay. Smurf Cat, are you real? Are you? Yes. Oh, this is like dog. Like Ben, I mean. Ben. What is 9 plus 10? It has to be yes or no questions. Okay, Smurf Cat, can you drive? Can you? Okay. Smurf Cat, do you like me? Oh. Smurf Cat, can you do a trick? No. Smurf Cat, are you secretly evil? What's going on with my phone? I think Smurf Cat wants to be alone. Maybe the Smurf Cat hacked your phone. You're crazy, it's just a game. Let's go back inside. Kids, come inside, I made dinner for everyone. Pizza! You made pizza? Or did you buy it? Online. Please take one slice of pizza. I made cookies too. Okay, so I'll take the pizza. But I don't know. Somebody's gonna get poisoned. That always happens. Always. Pizza! I'm gonna save mine, because in case it like brings your health up or something. Oh, let me go back in. I'm scared. We're gonna have to go to bed soon. I want this coin. I think it's time for bed. Okay, yeah, let's go upstairs. I want the pink bed. I want the pink bed. No! This one. Yeah. Yay, I'm asleep now. You guys go to bed before the timer counts down. Good night, everyone. Smurf Cat Morph. Oh.
Pizza!
Sleep good and don't let the bed bugs bite. Okay. "30 minutes later. I can't sleep. Are you guys still up? Yeah, because of you. Yeah, we are all awake. The phone is glowing. Guys, do you see my phone? What's going on? He hacked your phone. Did I just hear Smurf Cat? Guys, what's going on? We're getting sucked into the thing. I tried to get as far away as I could. God. What the heck? Are we at Smurf Cat's house? I don't want to be in here. This is weird. We're inside the phone. This is so cool. No, this is not cool. I would not say that in real life. That's not cool. That's just weird. No way. It's Smurf Cat. Aww. Flupa. This is not cool, guys. I want to go home, Sam. No way, dude. Let's stay here for a little while. We have no mom to boss us around. Okay. Right, Smurf Cat? You better stop talking to that thing. What? I don't think he likes us very much. What's going on? He's awake! Oh my god. Don't come up here! No, because I'm scared. You should keep him trapped. He's trying to kill her. We should go help her. I don't want anybody to die. Oh my goodness. Would you come down here? Why would you come down here? Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, but like... that thing just tried to kill us. Okay, I think we're safe now. No, we're not. We need to go home. We need to find a way out of here, guys. There's a door in the basement, but it's locked. Down here? Find the basement key. Okay, so I don't know where the key is. That's the attic key, not the basement key, though. Somebody please find it. Oh, the addict is up here. I found it! I found it! I found it! Get down! Get out! 'Cause I just found it. You just took damage? What? Nice job, guys. Let's get out of this house. No, she left her card here. Where the heck are we? My mom left her card at home. I'm not sure, but it looks like the only way out of here. Okay. Okay. Where's everybody else? We had a lot of people before. Now we only have 3. Follow Tommy. Tommy, I don't want to follow you down here. Oh, I hope that we won't have to do left and right. We have to choose left or right because no. I always choose the bad part. I have 91% health. And we need that? Where do we... There's a bunch of baseball bats down here. Take one. We might need them later. Baseball bat. I'm hitting you for getting us in this situation, Tommy. There's another way out. Let's check it out. Oh! Tommy, you go down there Oh. Is this an obby? Gonna be an obby. No. No, oh my god. I don't want to do this anymore. And it's gonna time us. Like, why? Come on, just hurry up and let's get it over with. And Tommy isn't even crossing it. Tommy's just gonna be safe automatically. That's not fair. Where's Tommy? I bet he's already on the other side. How long is this path? Okay, we made it. Okay, but we're the only 2 left. No. We're gonna have to fight somebody. We're gonna have to fight the Smurf Cat. That's why I like a lot of people, because it's easier when you have a lot of people. Phew, that was a close one. Well, now we're gonna have to fight Smurf Cat. Tommy. This looks like a dead end. That's what I'm saying. Where do you guys think you're going? I thought you guys wanted to be friends. I don't want to be friends with you. You tried to attack us. Stay with me forever. No. We're gonna kill you. Now you can talk. Should we start hitting him now? Ah! Ah! Stop. Hit him! Hit him! Hit him! Hey, you better not get killed. I swear. Hey, jump on the... Listen, I'm trying to, protect everybody. It's so awful when people get killed in these games, because it's like, oh no. like when people die in story games. Are we supposed to hit him? Oh, attack him! Attack! Run! Is that all you can do? This is easy. This is it? That's it? Come on, we got this. No. Oh my god. I knew that was gonna happen. Oh. My thing just turned. Oh my god. Well, I'm like, my game is like giving problems right now. But it's okay, it's fine. We're gonna win. I'm determined. We're gonna win. Run. All I need to do is I need to stay close to, like, these little things. No. Oh my god. See, my game is giving problems. I'm determined. I'm gonna win. I'm not gonna lose. Because this stupid game wants to be stupid. And Tommy isn't even doing anything. Like, he really isn't. Tommy's just standing there. Like, kill Tommy. He hasn't got hit not once. What is that? Listen, I'm staying over here. I'm sorry. Yes! Okay. After this, he should be dead. Kill him! Kill him! We did it! Oh, we didn't. Oh, we did! Oh my god. Yes, we did it. He's dead. I'm sorry, I've just been so lonely. Aww. When I heard you want to leave, I got mad. You can't keep us here forever though. We have a family. We have parents. I'm so sorry. It's okay. We forgive you, I think. No, don't forgive him. Don't let him. I don't know. Are we gonna have to, like, have a choice? No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Leave him. Leave. I don't know. I'm leaving him. I'm leaving him. I don't want to carry him. He's evil. Yeah. Bye. I'm sorry. Please don't be the bad end. You lied to me. What do you mean? Oh my god. I'm done. No. No. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Okay. Now this time we're taking him. I went back to that whole entire game just so I can get the good ending. And I did that all by myself. I did this whole game by myself because everybody left the game. And it took longer for me to kill him because I was by myself. But I'm happy. Now we're gonna have Smurf Cat as a pet. And I got the good ending. So I got the bad ending and the good ending. Okay, but I thought he would turn into a cat. And Smurf Cat is here too. Yay! Good ending. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe too for more videos like this. Bye!